Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala ahli wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Inshallah, in this video we will continue to the part 2 of the video where we are going to design other pages. So the very first thing we do is that we go to pages, all pages. Then we can open the home tool. This was the page we designed in the first part of the video, so we can just view a new tab. So this is it here. So this is okay. So then if I should go to the copy I was given by the business or by the company, you can see that after the home page, the next thing I have here is our services. So in order to design this services page, then let me open it in a new tab. You can see that here I'm still having transparent header, the header, and also I'm having the footer. The header and the footer that I won't be able to edit with Elementor. So we are going to get rid of that and bring this header and also bring this footer. So as I'm here now, I will click on edit with Elementor. Now I will click on these settings, page layout. I will click on Elementor canvas. I will update. If I should collapse this now, the header has gone and also the footer has gone. So I'll come back to this place. I will click on edit with Elementor also. So here now I'm going to copy this header. So there are two ways I can copy it and just paste it here. The other way is I can save it and then import it here. I can just copy it. I will right click, copy. I will come to this place. I will paste here. Paste. You can see this is it here. I can then move it up. It is already there. So this, I can come to the footer too. As for the footer, I only want to copy this. I don't want this newsletter to be on other pages. I only need this. So I will just copy this. I will come down here. I will right click on this and click on paste, not paste style, paste. So and I have it here. If I should update now and collapse, you can see this is my footer and this is my header. So the second way is that I can just save it. I can right click on this. I will click on what? Save as template. Maybe I want to save it as footer or my footer. So I click on save. So it is saved, you can see. So I can go up. Also I will right click on this and click on save as template, my header. So you can see they are both saved. So any page I'm designing on this website, I can just click on this one now, this plus sign. I will click on this middle one, then I will go to my template. You can see I can find it too. So the header now, I will just click on insert. Yes, insert. You can see it has been inserted. So it has been inserted. So I'm not interested in it. I will just delete it. So these are the two ways you can get that done. So let me just update. Alright. So the very first thing is this arrow section. So I actually like it like this. So but I will just make sure that it's in the same, is something closer to this. So the very first thing is that I want to change this background image to something that has to do with dry cleaning. So I will go to Canva. So we said we should be using this presentation, this 1020 times 1080 pixels. So I'll just open this in new tab. I'm here now. I will go to elements and I will search dry cleaning. Dry cleaning. I will go to photos. So I will look for anyone I will like as background for that place for services. something like this. Okay, let me delete this. I prefer this. Okay, this okay. I will download it. Share, download. So I'll come back to this place. I will go to tinypng.com. I will upload the image. You can see 2.5 MB is being compressed. You can see over 74%. Alright, so I will then use this. I'll click on this. I'll go to background under style. You can see background. I'll click on choose image. I'll click on this. I can just drag it here. Alright, insert media. So this is okay. So let me compare it with this. You can see the font I have here, how bold it is, something like that. I can just copy this. I will copy. I will come to this place. This place. I will then paste style. Paste style. You can see it's now bold like that. So I also want to get the overlay. If you check the overlay, oh, I can just copy this. Let me just copy this. Copy. Then I'll come to this place and paste style. It's actually pasted the style with the background image. So that's not supposed to be. Actually, what I wanted to do is that I wanted to copy this property, this background overlay. So, but it actually copied it with the background images. So that's not what I want. I will click on this. I will go to this background. I will click on just the classic. I only want one image. So this image, I will click on it, and I will choose this one that I want. You can see I have it here now. So this is okay. So alright. So the next thing is this place. You can see the way this one is listed. Like I'm going to have an image here, then the title, description. As for this price and this is not included in what I'm given, just the title and the description. So I can delete all this. So I can do this. I can get an image that is related to what I have as the title and the content here. So let me do something like that. Let me go to the content. Look at the very first one here. Dry cleaning. As in this is the very first service they offer. Copy. I will paste it here. You can see it copied it with the number. So I will delete the number. So I will go back to this place and copy all this. The description, copy. I will then paste. So if I should come to this place again, I'll go to style, go to typography, Montserrat, the weight I can say bold. So this one too, I'll go to style, typography, yeah, Montserrat. So the font, you can see it's stopping there. So let me go to advanced and see. You can see right, I'm having padding 120. So I don't, that's just too much. 120 is too much. So let me say 50, 60, something like this. Let me check. Alright, so I'm going to have an image here, maybe a square image. So that is going to be related with this. This font is also is bigger, so let me reduce it. Okay, it seems this is okay. All right, so let me try to get an image. So I'll go to Canva. Yeah, I can just choose maybe this Facebook post size, or I can choose Instagram post size. You can see this is okay. This Facebook ads size. I actually like using Facebook or Instagram. So this is Facebook post. So I can just click on this just to get the size. That's all. Then I will come back. I will come to this element. I will search dry cleaning. I need to get an image that is talking about what we have here. So dry cleaning. I will click on photos. I can get another one. Maybe this or this. Or this. So, detach. Okay, this is okay for me. So I will download it. I'll go to tiny png. I'll click on this. This is the image here. I will download. I'll come to this place. I'll click on this. Click on this. And I will upload. Insert. You can see. So you might like something like this. You have an image here, and you have the title and the description. So another one, and so you list all the services, like something like this. Let me delete all these ones and duplicate this. So it's going to be something like this. This one of the services, another one. You keep on listing like this. So you can have something like this. And if you want to get idea, you can just click on this plus icon. Click this middle one. Then you go to blocks. Click on blocks. So make sure you are using Elementor Pro in order to use these blocks and these pages here, all of them. So you can just come down to services. You can see services here. And you can choose the one you like. Maybe you like something like this, or something like this, or something like this. You can just choose the one you like. So let me try this. Insert. You can see the way this is. So if I want to do something like this dry cleaning, yeah, I will click on this. Okay, let me copy this first. Copy this description. I'll paste this here. Paste. You can see it. Then the title, which is dry cleaning. So you click on the title. Paste. I will delete the number. So this one. So you can do something like this. This now you can format it as you like. You can, if you feel that these three are too much in one line, so you can delete this, delete one column. So you have two like this. This you can click on it and align it to the left. This one too, you can go to style, align it to the left. So you can actually click on this, go to style, typography, font, Montserrat. So you can make it bold since it's the title. This, you can see the font is gray, but let me make it more apparent. So this is okay. So I can go to font, family, Montserrat. So I can increase the size. So maybe this is okay. I can try to justify. So let's look at it. So this is okay. I can change the color, make it darker so that I can easily see it. Okay, maybe this is okay. So if this is okay for me, in order to keep the style, I can just duplicate this. I will duplicate that column, duplicate. I will then delete this one. I will delete. So the next one here, which is alterations, I will copy it, copy. I will come to this place, click on this, Ctrl V. You can see alterations. Then I will copy the description here, copy. So I will paste, Ctrl V. So I will delete the number. Alright, so I can do something like this, alterations. So which one do you prefer? To have something like this, the title, the description, or to have something like this, an image, title, then the description? So you can just choose the one, anyone you like. Both are okay. If I'm using this, I will have to change this one to alteration, bring the description and things like that. So both are actually okay. Both are actually okay. Or let me do something. I can just copy this. I'll paste the style, paste style. I will copy the text too, copy, and paste style. So let me look at this. This is actually okay. So you can see that this image is bigger compared to the place where we have the text. So you can also do something. Also, you can bring the image box, click on this, type image. You can see image box here. You can just bring this. Look at how it is. So you can format it. You can see this image position. You can have it to the left or top, or have it like this. So if I want to use this, I will click on this and bring the image. You can see you can actually increase the size if you like. Go to image. This is the spacing, this is the width, this is the width. Then this, you can copy this headline. This is the headline here. You copy it, you paste it, and something like this. So you can have something like this too, where you have the image, the title, then the description with image box. So you can do whatever you like. So if I'm going to be doing something like this, then I will click on this column. I will come to this advanced. You can see that you can see what I'm having to the left and what I'm having to the right. So I can just do something like this. I will increase it generally to maybe 50. And look at what I have. This is still okay, but I can increase the size of this text from 16 to 19. This is okay for me. I like this. Alright, so I can have something like this. So instead of this, I will just delete all this. It depends on what you want. So it's not compulsory you have to use this. So if you delete this, I will have something like this. Then I will delete all this. So I will duplicate this. So I will duplicate this too. So for this is the dry cleaning. The next one is going to be for alterations. So I'll copy the description. I'll copy the description. I'll paste it here. So I'll delete the number. So then the title, which is alterations. So I will delete the number. So let me go to the next one. which is, I'll change the image later. So the next one here is cleaning household items. I'll copy that. I'll come to this place and paste. Also remove the number, then the description. So I'll duplicate this. So we'll go to the next one. Leather and suit restoration. Copy. I'll delete the number. So I'll copy the description too. So I'll duplicate that too. So the next one, so I'll copy this and then paste. So I'll duplicate. So this is the last one here. Copy. So the next thing is to change the images. We are having the image for dry cleaning here. You can see for alterations. So let me find a perfect image for that. I'll go to Canva. I'll click on add page. I can just say repair, include repair or something. Let me check this. I don't know, maybe this is suitable. Let me check, search dry cleaning again. Dry cleaning. Under photos. If I can find anyone I can use here. Alteration. Maybe something like this might be okay. So the next one, cleaning household items. Household items. You can just get the one that has to do with other things other than clothes. Maybe something like this. We have even used this one before. Okay, maybe this one is okay. Next one, leather and suit cleaning and restoration. So maybe I can use this. This is okay. Shirt, laundry, shirt. This is okay. Wedding gown cleaning and restoration. I don't know, maybe this one might be suitable. Let me find another one. So maybe something like this. Then I will download everything. I don't need this, I've already downloaded it before. Then download. You can see I have 5 here. Alright. Then I'll click show in folder. I will extract all. Alright. I'll go to tiny png. Let me refresh. So I'll just drag everything to tiny png. Download all. So I will extract all. Then if I should come to this place, I'm here now. I will click on this, choose image, then we drag everything here. So this is the very first one. Cleaning household items. You can see, you can click on something and the image will move to another thing. So what you can do, you can just press Ctrl Z, or you can drag it back. So click on this, choose image, household items. Okay, this, choose image. What's that again? Okay, so the last, okay, I say I've shirt. This shirt. and this wedding gown. So this okay. So I can delete this, I don't need it. So and that's all I will update. Look at it. Okay, you can see that the header and the footer, they are still there. I'll click on this. Under page layout, I'll click on Elementor canvas only. So let me preview. These are our services: dry cleaning, alterations, this is nice. So the next thing from the copy is the contact page. So I should go back to this place. If you check, you can see the contact page. So let me click on it. So I'll click on edit with Elementor. So the very first thing is that I will copy this like this. Copy. And I'll paste style. So then I'll copy this. These are our services. I'll paste style. So I will go to this settings, page layout, Elementor canvas. I will save. I will copy this header. Copy. I will come here and paste. It will go down here. I will drag it up. The same thing, I will come to this place and copy this footer. I will come down here and paste it. This is it here, so I can update. For this contact us now, you can see the email address, the phone number, the location. So let me go to, you can see I have the phone number here and I have the email address here. Copy. Phone number. This is their location. They actually didn't give us their social media handles, so I will delete this. So for this, I can do something like this. Something like this. Maybe 10. I'll go to this place. Background gray. Something like this. Then border. Maybe 20. That's too much. 10. Okay, this okay. I will go back to this and increase the padding to maybe 30 and see. So here I'm going to style it. So do I have another? Okay, maybe I can just copy this. I'll come to this place and paste style. So also I can come to this place and copy and and paste style here. So it doesn't affect this. So let me style this one by myself. I'll go to style. So here now you can see, let me collapse. You can see the content. If I open it, this is the title and this is the description. The title is the email you see here. So I can go to the typography. I'll click on this. I'll say Montserrat. I will increase the size to 15. The weight, let me say bold and see. Okay. The color, you can see there is level of transparency there. I will take off the transparency and give it gray like this. Okay. So I'll go to this one too. Then the font, also Montserrat. And the size is okay like that. So I can copy this and paste style here. I can paste style here too. So I'm okay with this. So as for this header, I can make it bigger. 26. I can maybe 30, 32 or 30. So I can copy this, paste style here. Alright, so this, I'll click on this. You can see the short code, WP form short code. So because it is from the dashboard, we are going to design this. After designing it from the dashboard, we copy the code and paste it here. So let's go to style. If you come here, you see the background, you see some of the things you want to style here. So if you come to this place and click on this classic, you can change the color. You can see. So, but we might not need to do that. Let's just Ctrl Z. So the way it was. So you can click on this. I want to reduce this. Okay, something like this. Alright, as for this button, let me go to this place again, to this form. You know, we are still here. Go to advanced. I want to go to there's a way you can get a form that is simpler compared to this. If you go to this place, go back here, you type form here, form. You can see WP form. This is the one we are using now. It's not editable with Elementor like that. So you can get another form. You can see another form. This one is for Elementor. You can see this one. You can easily style it with Elementor any as you like. So this one is even better. Let me just delete this. So this is Elementor form. So if you click on this now, you can change the color. You can change everything. You can see if you come to this place under style, you can change the color, edit it as you like. Unlike that other one, it's very difficult to edit except you pay. So now you can see this is the form fields. You can see the label. It's showing the label. You can say take off the label, and that is the best. It's writing name and see. You can see name here, so I don't need the label. So this is okay for me. Name, email, and the message you have for us. So this is okay. As for the button, you can see the button. When I put my mouse on it, you can see the color. So you can come to style here. You go to button. You go to over. This is the button here. You can see the color. But when you over, you can see the color, the text color, the background color. Okay, this one is next and submit, and this one is, so let me say if I put this one to red, let me see if I can see the red now. So let me say I'm going to put this one to black. You can see something like this. It's okay. Okay, maybe that is just okay. So I can just update this. I'm okay with this. But something you must do is that you must be aware is that if somebody comes here now and send a message, where will the message go to? How are you going to find the message? So come back to this content. So you come to this collect submissions. So any message they send to you on this place, you can find them under submissions in your WordPress dashboard. That's number one. So number two is that you can see okay, maybe I should explain from the beginning. This form you have here, you can see the form fields. These are the fields. I can add another thing. If I want to collect phone number, I will just add item. The item I want to add, I will name it here. I will call it phone number. So do I want to make it compulsory that the person must enter the phone number? I will say yes, make it compulsory. If the person doesn't enter the phone number and they click submit, send, it's not going to send. So this is the meaning of required. So the placeholder, and that is you can see here is writing name, email, message. What is going to be the placeholder? What's the text I want to write here? So this is it here. So I can just say the same thing, phone number. Copy. I'll paste it here. You can see the phone number is now here now. That is the placeholder. Alright. So this is the phone number. You can see where it is, but I would like to have it here first. I'll just drag it. Just drag and drop. Now it is after the name, the phone number, email, then the message. So these are some of the things you can do. So you can play around with it. So that is the form fields. Then the button, how you want the button. You can see here it is send. I can change, you can see submit here. I can change it to submit. You can see it has changed. So what you like, anything you like, so you can do. So you can see the column of the button is 100%. It is covering from the beginning of this form to the end. I can say no, just 25%. You can see. I can say just maybe 50% like this. So as I like, the size of the button, this is small, can be medium, can be extra large, it can be, so this small is just okay. So you can try to edit, you can try to have an icon here, so if you like. So this is it. After actions after submit, if someone submits a form, what should happen? I'm saying that I'm going to collect submission. Collect submission means I want everything the person send here, I want to have it on my dashboard, WordPress dashboard. That's the meaning of collect submissions. The second thing is that I want this form to send the email, the instruction, the information the person submit here to my email. That is it. That is the meaning of this email. I can delete this, I can delete anyone, I can add more things. You can see. I can say if somebody comes here and submits the email, the information here, so this is what should happen. You should redirect the person to another page. I should collect it with Webhook or MailChimp or Drip, ActiveCampaign. These are email marketing softwares. So immediately the person submits the thing here, I can link it to my email marketing software, which we are going to discuss later. How to use email marketing softwares. So these are some of the things I want to have after the person submits the form. So now collect submissions I've explained. You are going to find this under Elementor. You can see collected submissions will be saved to Elementor under submissions. So if you go to your dashboard, you come to Elementor, you can see submissions here. If you click on it, you are going to see everything that has been submitted. So then I will go to email. If someone comes here and submits this form, which email do I want to collect it? I'm going to enter my email here, where I want to receive the information submitted here. What's going to be the subject of the email? I will say a new message from my website. I can enter the name of the website, maybe something.com, if I have a lot of websites, so that I will be sure that this message is actually coming from this particular message. And you can see the message here. What do I want to have in the message itself? I say all fields. That means everything here. The name, the phone number, email, and the message. You can see what from what, if I'm receiving the email, it's going to say this email is from this particular email. So from what will I have it? I'm saying that I'm having it from email@tvviralagency.com because that is the email I have here. So you can say contact at anything you like. So the name of the person that is sending it, you can say welcome. I can say my customer or my client. So I can just say that as in they are the one sending this message. If I want to reply, I don't have to reply to anybody. So I can also choose that, but I don't have to reply. So if I want to reply, I will reply manually. So these are the metadata. As in the thing that will not show, but it will be contained. It's going to capture. If the person is filling this form, it's going to capture the date, the time, the page address, as in this page. You know, you can insert this form into so many pages, but it's going to tell you that this particular one is being sent from this particular page. So you are going to know the form that is performing best. Maybe the one you have on your own page, or the form you have on your contacts page, or the form you have on your location page. Maybe you have your form in so many pages. So this is going to capture the actual page where the form is being filled and the message is being sent. The user agent, remote IP, and some other things about this person. Although the person is not giving those information here, but our system is going to capture those information and send it to our email too. So this is metadata. So send as HTML, as in as text, and this is the best. So, or you can say plain, anyone, but this is just the normal thing. So that is about email. Then the steps, you can say type, number, and text, and that's what we want. So this, just leave this like this. So because we are actually not having two steps. If you are having two steps, then we can also configure these ones too. So additional information, nothing is really needed here. So now we have configured this form. So we just save. So these ones we have here, we can delete all this. We are not in need of them. So let's preview. So this is nice. This is nice. Okay, maybe something is still left. The image you want to have under here, contact us. So you can just go to Canva. So you can just search contact us. Okay, maybe I can choose this. So we download. I will untick this, so I only have the page 2 ticked. I will download it. I will go to tiny png and click on this. This is it here. I will download it. Then I will click on this. I'll go to background, choose image. I'll just drag this one here. So I will insert. You can see. So something like this. So I'm okay with this. So you can choose whatever you like. So what is the next thing? You can go to our copy. Okay, after contact us, the next thing is location page. So let's go back to our website. You can see we don't have location, we usually have about, and the arrangement here is not what I'm not okay with this arrangement. So I'll go to my dashboard. So I'll come to my pages, all pages. So I will make sure I have all the pages I need. You know, I duplicated the first page, the home page initially, and this is it here. So this one that I was using, the normal home page, if I should open it, look at it. This is the normal home page that came with the template, with the website. So this is the one I designed in the last video. So what I'm going to do now is that this normal home page that came with the template, I'm going to delete it. I'm going to trash it. So the home page I designed, I'm going to name it home, and I will delete this slug here. So I will update it. So I want this one to be the home page now. And what is the home page? You know, that is the, if somebody comes to your website, for example, my own website now, tipviralagency.com. If somebody comes to this website now, that is going to be the page the person is going to see. The home page can be any page on your website. If somebody comes to this place now, you can see tipviralagency.com without entering anything. So this is going to be the home page. So the home page can be any page. How do I configure this my home now to be the home page? I will go to appearance and go and click on customize. Let me open it in a new tab. Then I will come back here. I'll come down here, home page settings. I will click on a static page. You can see home page here. I'm going to choose home. You can see this home. I will choose this home. Then I will publish. So if you check the home page now, let me copy the website address. Copy. So if you go to this place, paste, you can see that this is now the home page. So if somebody comes to my website without / anything, this is going to be the home page. I can actually change it to another thing. If I go back to this home page, if I change it to maybe contact and I publish, so if I come back to this place and refresh, you can see that the contact page is now the home page. So the home page can be configured to be any page on your website, but as for me, I want it to be this home, and I will publish. So if I go back to the dashboard, I have the home now, the home page. Then I want the contact page, the location page, services page, and our team page. But here I can only see what the contact. I can see the home page, contact page, location, services. There's no our team. So for that team, I can actually duplicate the home page. I can clone it. So this new one, I'll click on quick edit. I will call this one our team. So here too, maybe just team, the slug. You can also write our team, everything, if you like. The slug is what you have after this, after the tipviralagency.com / what you have after that is the slug. So you update. All right. So now I'm going to arrange this the way I want it on my website. So I'll go to appearance. I'll click on menu. Okay. Look at this menu here. This one, I can delete it, remove. All right. So what I want now, I will bring this menu. Look at view all. Click on view all. Look at this home. Add. You can see the home is there. So I have the home. I have services. Then I should have our team. Then location and then contact. So this is okay now. So I will save menu. So if I go to this place now and refresh, you can see home, services, our team, location, and contact. So I have everything as I want. So if I want to change some, maybe I want to bring this contact up, I will just drag it up here. So then the contact is going to be after services. If I click on save menu now, if I come to this place, I can refresh. You can see that now the contact is after services. Here the contact is after services. So as for me, I want the contact to be the last thing. In fact, I can even tilt it a little bit like this, so that the contact is going to be a sub item under the location. Let me save it and you see the effect. If I should come here and refresh now, this contact is going to, you can see the contact is now under location, but that's not what I want. So I will just pull it like this and then I will save. Great. So if I should refresh now, alright. So I will advise you to always create all the pages with the names you want, then come to menu here to come and move it around. So you can go to view all. You are going to say, oh, don't come to this most recent, go to view all. You see all the pages on your website, then you are going to move them here. And if what you want to move to this menu bar is the post, just click on this. For those people who are writing blogs, we are going to get there. So just move the post to anywhere you like. If it is a custom link, maybe you want someone to click on any link and go to maybe your Facebook page or your YouTube channel, this is where you are going to write it and add it to menu. Or if it is a category for blog too, so we are going to be doing that for blog later, inshallah. So you should play around to know how to change this, how to change that. Yeah, so I'll click on save. Now if you look at it, I have my own page designed, completed. Great. I have the services page, we designed that. You can see it too. This is nice. So we have our team, we haven't done that. Look at what we have there, we haven't done it. And you should take note of something. This our team here, if I click on it, you can see what is showing a location. Our team is connected to location. Okay, let me go to location itself. Location 2 is location. You can see there is error. So let's go to contact. Contact is correct. Contact is contact, as in this slug. But for location slug, it is location, which is correct. But for our team slug, our team, it is still location. So I'll go back to this place. I'll go to pages, all pages. I'll go to our team. I'll go to quick edit. Our team, the slug is team. So I'm sure it's not location. You can see it is, the error is not from this place. So I will update. Then I will go to appearance and click on menu. So when I get to this place, this page, this our team here is not giving me problem. I will just remove it. Then I will come to view all here. The menu that I have here, our team that I have here, I will click on it, add to menu. Then I will drag this one to the place I want it. So let me go back to the page. Where is my page here? Okay, let me just all pages. This is the home page, view. If I should click on our team now, you can see it's not going to team. Let me go back. If I click on location, it's going to location. This is nice. If I click on contact, it's going to contacts. This is correct. If I click on services, it's going to services. This is correct. So everything is okay now. So the next thing is that after designing, okay, let me go to my website. I've designed this home page, I've designed the services, so I've designed the contact. The next thing is our team. Let me go to the file. Okay, we actually have to design the location. Yeah, according to this place, the location comes before the our team. So let me go to location. So this is the location here. I'll click on it. You can see. Then I'll click on edit with Elementor. So alright, so the very first thing I want to do is that I want to copy this header. So I don't have to copy it again. I can just insert. You know, from what we did, we have already saved it to my template. You can see my header, insert. Yes, you can see it here. So this is it. Then I will go to this place and bring my not this, the middle one. I bring the footer, insert. Alright, now I have both the header and the footer. So what I want to do again is I want to go to settings, under page layout. I want to click on Elementor canvas to take off the normal header and the footer. So I will update. Remember, this is our location. So here I'm going to have what? Our location. You can see this is their location here. All right, so now I want to copy this, copy, and I will paste style. You can see. So this is our location. Then for location, all I want to see, let me just delete this. I don't actually need this too. So this one too, I don't need it. So here I'm going to bring the map. You can see, you can search here, but I can see it's a Google map. Just bring it here. Then the address we have here, you copy it, copy, then you enter the address here. You can see this is the location. So you can zoom in, you can zoom out anyhow you like. So this is the height. You can make it bigger as you like. So you can style it. So but all these ones, they are not needed. So the address itself, if you want to paste it here, there's nothing bad in that. So click on typography, the family, Montserrat. Then the size you can, and if you like, you can make it bigger. You can see that it's not touching the left and also the right. It's like the center. You can go to advanced to check what is happening. You can see under the advanced, the right is having padding of 19 and the left to padding. You can just click on this to make everything the same and take it to 0. I'm not interested in the padding. So go back, click on this again. Okay, we are still on it. Go back to this font color. Maybe I want to have gray, something like this. Let me check. This is okay, but here I want to have margin. So I can just click on this. I will go to advanced. I will click on this. I only want it for the bottom. Maybe let me say 50 and see what that looks like. 50, that's not enough. Let me say 150. Collapse this. Okay. Then if I have 150 here, maybe at the top I will have 50. Let me see. Okay, this is okay. This is our location. This is okay. So update. All right. So the next thing is to change this background image. So I'll go to Canva. I will add a new slide. I'll go to elements. Maybe this. So I will download it. I will untick the first page and the second page. So I only want the third page. Then I'll go back to this place. Tiny PNG, I'll click on this. This is the image, I'll pick it. Alright, I will download it. I'll come to this place on my website. Okay, I'm here. Our location, I'll click on this and go to style, choose image. I will drag this here, insert. So you can just update. So you can see our location page is already designed. It's now designed. Then the next thing is, let me click on preview. You can see this is okay. The next thing is our theme. You can see the way it is. It's because I just cloned it. So if I click on edit with Elementor, you can see it's now okay. Let me just press peace or anything just to be able, so that I'll be able to update and click this update button. If I should preview now, you can see it's now okay. So this is how it works. You can see this is just the clone of the home page. So I want to make it our theme. So let me just click on this. I'll click on this. Let me go to blocks. If I can find the theme, our theme. You can see theme. Okay, this might be okay. Remember that according to the information we're given here, only 3 people. So you should pick something in line with that. I can pick this. I can actually pick this too. And nothing, no information is given us about these people except the title and their name. So I can't choose this one. I can't choose this one that I should have maybe a biography or something about the team member. So although I can choose it and then delete what I don't want. So, but let me just choose this. Insert. Error. Okay, let me choose another one. Insert. What is happening? Let me refresh. So I'll click on this again. I'll click on blocks, then theme, then insert. Insert. Okay, some are not working. You can see this one is working and this is okay. So I can just drag this section down like this so that I can have this arrow here. So this arrow, I'm going to have our theme here. Our theme. So this, I will delete this subheading and this call to action. Alright, so this is okay. Our theme, maybe something like this, okay. Let me say 500. Oh, let me see how 400 looks. 400 is okay for the minimum height. 400. So this is our theme. I will delete this. This one too, I will delete it. Since they are just 3, I can duplicate this. Duplicate. And then delete this. I will delete any other thing I have. Yeah. Alright. So here. Okay. Let me delete all these ones. Since I don't have any detail. I'm not given the details of these people. Maybe their biography or something. I will delete all this. I'm not in need of them. So what I'm going to do is I will click on this. It's actually image box. So I'll click on this like this. So I will have the image at the top. So you can see this is the image. I can configure it here. So I can also delete all these ones. So this now I will duplicate this. I'll duplicate this. Alright. So now for the first person now, where is he? All right, this is Alex Najafi. Copy. I'll come to this place under content. This is the name. I'll paste the name here. What is the title? That's the founder / the president. So that's going to be here. Then the image. You can see the image out there. Now this, click on this. Save picture. Save as picture. So let me just save it to download. I will call it Q1. This one too, I will call it Q2. Save as picture. Q2. This, I will right click, save as picture. I will call it Q3. Is it Q or A? Q. Q3. All right. So these pictures now, what I should do is that I'll go to Canva. I will find maybe any page, just like this Facebook page, any page. But the best is to find a square, like that of Instagram. Instagram post, you can just type Instagram. Because Facebook post is not a square, but Instagram post is square. You can see Instagram post 1080 by 1080. So if I click on it, you can see square. So just pick a blank. All right. So what I'm going to do now is that I will find a frame. I'll come to this element. I'll click on element and search frame. You can see circle frame. So I can pick anyone here. Maybe this. So then I'll pick this frame too. You can in fact the best is to choose this kind of frame. Let me click on them. You can see different ones that you might like. So if I pick this, I actually love this. Now I'm going to bring those images I saved to download. The 3 images, these are I'll just bring them to Canva. I'll upload them to Canva. So the very first one is this one. So I'll just drag it here. You can see. Maybe this one is okay. So I will duplicate this and I will delete this image at the center. I will bring the next one. I will drag it inside. I will duplicate this one too. I will delete this one at the center. Then I'll bring the third one. So I have the 3 images now. So I will then download these 3 images. Click on share. Well, there's something here that is important. I will click on transparent background, because if you are not using Pro, you can't use this feature. You have to use remove.bg to remove the background. As for me, since I'm using Canva Pro, I can remove the background from this place. I'll click on download. This is it here. I will unzip, extract all. This is it here. You can see the 3 images. So I'll come to this place, tiny PNG. Let me refresh. Then I'll bring the 3 images. They will be compressed. Then I will download all. You can see they are tinified now. I will extract all. Extract. You can see them here. So these are the images I'm going to use on my website. Now if I come to this place, so I will just drag the images here. So I can just pick this, insert. You can see. So for the second person, so this lady, I'll click on this, choose picture. I will insert this. So for the third person, so this, let me change the name. The name of this girl is this. I'll copy it. Then I'll paste under title here. Then description, client relations. Copy. Then this. Copy. I'll paste. Copy. Paste. All right, this is what I have now. I can update. So let me see our team. You can see how it looks like. So I can come back here. If I want to make this one bigger, I can click on this. I'll go to style, the image, the width. You can see I can actually make it bigger like this. Let me put it in maybe 80. And this font, I can make it smaller. The title, I'll click on this. Instead of 35, maybe 30. So if I have this now, I can just copy this. I'll paste the style. Paste style. I'll paste style. So then I'll update. The next thing is to confirm all the pages are looking nice. You can see this is my own page. I'm okay with it. This is my services page, our services page. This also okay. Our team page. This also okay. Our location. So this is not okay yet because you can see that this section is too wide. So I'll come to this minimum height and put it maybe 420 or 400. So it's okay now. Then also this our location is not bold enough. I will copy and paste style on that particular text. So this is okay now. So the next thing is that these two, the section is too, the height is too much. I can just put it in 420 also. So I will update. So the next thing, I believe the next thing here is to configure this particular form. If I should click edit with Elementor, the form is just like this form we did. You know, we configured this form under contact us, how you are going to be receiving the information people are going to enter here. So the same way you are going to configure this form here. So when you click on this, you can see this is the form field, button, actions after submit, collect, submissions, email, steps, settings, additional information. This everything you have here, just like what we add here. So you should be able to do that. So this is where you are going to stop, inshallah. Assalamu alaykum warahmatullah wabarakatuh. Make sure you like, subscribe, and recommend our channels to people.